Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a few trends that I'm noticing on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Let's put it on your TV set at home. The colors on the radar. Notice in the last roughly 90 minutes, you don't see as much orange and red, which would indicate thunderstorms and very, very heavy downpours. That's not to say we have light rain out there now, but the intensity has come down just a little bit, and the lightning tracker has eased up a little bit as well. But we will still keep some occasional downpours and the potential for at least localized minor street flooding in the forecast this evening and right on through the overnight. So you can see the Doppler radar showing the precipitation tracking from south to north. What the Doppler radar can also do is estimate how much rain has fallen. So this is kind of a different radar. Well, first of all, you can see some of the precipitation, some of the thunderstorms weakening as they approach the south shore, but still some pretty heavy rain. Here's the Doppler radar estimates as far as rainfall, and the heaviest of the precipitation has been along the south shore. So this green color indicating anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain along places like Route 1 and just outside of Westerly. I know out towards Groton, New London, some significant street flooding earlier today. This purple area indicating 2 to 3 inches of rain over a short period of time. So further to the north here in Providence, the amounts have not been as high. In fact, at last check, about a ½ inch of rain in Providence. But notice, especially coastal Massachusetts, Dartmouth, Fairhaven, New Bedford, all coming in between 2 and 4 inches of rain. Westerly, a little over 2 inches of rain. And Narragansett, at last check, now closing in on 2 inches. That's a lot of rain over a short period of time. Take a look at the Bragger Bridge in Fall River, where the visibility has improved a little bit, so a bit of a lull in some of the heavier downpours, but we'll still keep the chance for some heavy rain in the forecast this evening and right on through the overnight hours. Lighter rain in Providence right now. Look at that temperature. Incredible, considering we've been in the 90s for the last several days. Significantly cooler right now in the upper 60s to lower 70s. What I'm tracking at this hour is what we call a stationary front. It's south of New England right now. We're getting a storm system that's forming along it. And what will happen is this will track north and east. So by tomorrow afternoon, it'll be moving offshore, taking with it the rain and pulling on some drier air in southeastern Canada, and that'll work in the second half of the day. So we'll start with some wet weather early tomorrow morning. Still keep the umbrella on standby. There's still the risk of a passing thunderstorm, still a chance of a heavier downpour and some localized street flooding. Of course, as we've been saying all along in the Patriots game, wet weather likely 68 to 72. It may not be raining every minute of the game, but periods of showers can't be ruled out. Bus stop forecast has some leftover showers in the morning, but certainly drier by the second half of the day, and it will be cooler. Beaches, not a great day, especially during the morning with some leftover showers and clouds in the afternoon. Any clearing that takes place tomorrow would not occur until late afternoon. So bottom line, Friday afternoon is drier than Friday morning. Saturday is still the pick of the weekend. We'll bring in more rain in here. Actually, late Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temperature on Sunday cooler at about 72 degrees. We need the rain. Unfortunately, it's coming all at once, very hard over a short period of time. And as a result, some localized flooding.
And some high school games were actually canceled today because of the rain.
Yeah, pretty tough.
So, all right. Thank you, Tony.